just walking in the rain in Inman Park. This is, I stumbled upon this beautiful, beautiful, look at this, look at this. And I don't remember seeing it before, and the reason is because it's a new restoration. It was brought back to its former glory. This is the way it looked in 1890, in 1892. And this is the Glenn house. And the story is right here in this placard, all right? This is the Glenn house restoration. And it says this historical restoration project is returning one of the Inman Park's most notable homes to its former place among Edgewood Avenue original 4 Grand Dames. There's 4 houses right there. And this one, the Glenn house, is the one in the right there. So it says, the Glenn house was built in 1890 for Reverend Wilbur Fisk Glenn. In 1893, his daughter Flora Glenn married the heir to Coca-Cola, Charles Howard Candler, in one of the parlors. So that's the story of the house, all right? And the way this house looked in 2017 was that's the way it looked in 2017. That's why I don't remember seeing it before. And you know, who transformed and when did they transform this beauty into that common property? Who knows? But in 2017 somebody bought it and brought this beautiful Grand Dane back to its former glory. And this is it already. I see lights inside, I see plants, and I see a couch right there. So I'm assuming the restoration is done. Okay, this is all the way outside, and this is the way this beautiful house looks today, 2020, during the COVID-19. So this is the last one of the 4 Grand Dames. All right, that's another one right there. It's still looking the same. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Beautiful house, thank you.
Thank you.
Half a block away from that beautiful property we just saw is this metallic structure. And I thought, an urinal? What the hell can it be? Metal, old rivets dating back to the 1890s, missing some little pieces right there with a light on top. And the door, well, this is for the key, I guess. Yeah, the key. And it opens up, and there's the anchor bolts in there, and you can see the glass. And the question remains, what the hell is it? What is it? To post news things? Who knows?